Have you heard about spot termination? So effective from now, corporate team will terminate you without any document. They will send you out by today. Most of the cases, dual employment, fake certificate, edited documents, or if you submitted any fake payslip, fake bank statement, if they suspect something in your background verification documents, organization have access to do spot termination. They will terminate you. Just they will say effective from now, you will be out from the organization without any documents. You need to surrender your assets, laptop, whatever organization provided to you, you need to surrender everything and you need to move out from the organization. And many people are got terminated, spot termination happened. So always be careful when you work in the organization. Don't go for any wrong way. Always try to go in genuine way. In case if they suspect something, spot termination will happen. So that is the concept right away going on. So the spot termination happened, you cannot move to new organization. That is why they are not giving relief letter and they are terminating you. Hope you got the point. If you have background verification related clarifications or if you need any help, worst case for termination cases, try your tricks. If doesn't work, you can call to me. Once done your consulting fee, we will discuss. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.